Let's create this cool outline text effect using Affinity Photo. First, we need to mask our subject. Use whatever method you prefer and works best for the image. In this video, I will use the selective brush and then refine the selection. If you're interested in more detail about making selections, check out my channel where I have multiple videos about making selections. When the refinement is finished, I will choose New Layer with Mask as the output, as I will need the original and the masked subject in the document. Awesome! Let's enable the original layer and add our text. For this effect, a nice bold font works best. We also need a linked copy of this text, which we can easily create by using the duplicate linked function from the layer menu. Both the text layers are now linked, and any changes applied to one of them will apply automatically to both. Time to add an outline, for which I will use the effects panel. I will also set the outline color to white to match the fill color. As mentioned, both of the layers are linked except the transformation, which means that I can transform them separately. Notice how I can move the top text and the bottom text does not follow. For this effect, we actually want the transform to be linked. To do that, make sure you have the links panel enabled and drag and drop the second text from the layers panel to the transform drop zone in the links panel. Now they are linked, and when I move one, the other will follow. Also in the links panel, let's unlink the opacity and visibility. And we're done with the links panel. I can now move the bottom text in between the background and the masked subject. When I hide the top text, we can see that there is indeed text behind the subject. Let's enable back the top text and open up the blend options. Here, we need to lower the fill percentage to 0, with as effect that the white fill of this text layer will no longer be shown. The fill does not affect the outline effect, resulting in exactly what we want. And our effect is ready. I can move the text around and position it to where I like. Pretty awesome! Some final tips for the composition. You can add a little bit of Gaussian blur to the background so the subject and the text are more in focus. Secondly, we can add a cursor adjustment to darken up the background so that there will be more contrast between the background and our subject with text. Here is the before without the adjustments, and here is the after. Pretty cool! Don't forget to like this video, and thank you for watching. Until the next video.